Hi guys! Hello beautiful people! Kumusta? It's been a while since I uploaded a video. And so here I am with my boss daughter and my workmates. We're going to the big rocks just around the neighborhood, seaside. We wanted to check if we can still swim since winter has already started. It's still sunny, but it's a little bit cold. But if we cannot swim, we just wanted to sit by the beach and maybe we will have our lunch by the seaside. So here we are in the big rocks. We usually have picnics here and we used to swim and catch fish and squids. So I hope you're having a good day.